Ivan is gonna freak out again. He's gonna freak out again because today it's an amazing and beautiful day in LA, and I don't know if you guys are asking what I'm doing with this handcuff, but I'm trying to have my brother handcuffed right next to me for 24 hours. He doesn't like me. He hates me. So we gotta fix this. We just woke up, so he's sleeping right now. So so this handcuff only have one key. Okay. Sorry guys, with the man, so we just my brother, ready? Like a teddy bear. Hey. What's up, buddy? I told you he doesn't like me. Yo, we gotta. Sorry. We gotta wake up. Sorry. Stop, man. Can you wake up, please? This is the handcuff, 24 hours. You wanna be right next to me for one day?
Oh, it hurts, bro.
It hurts?
Yeah.
It's fine. You're gonna be fine. Come on. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Sorry. With the other hand. Yeah, I'm sorry. Come on, wake up.
Yeah, I'm about to go.
Come on, wake up, man. Come.
Wake up.
The box. You know what, Ivan?
Oh, no. Wait. No.
No, you can.
No, bro.
Yeah, we gotta be like that. Like that. No. Okay,
Yo,
guys.
what's up, guys?
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be handcuffed to each other.
Yeah.
For 24 hours.
Okay, cool.
Cool? You like that?
Cool. Yeah.
You're not mad at me?
No, I'm good.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so my brother Ivan, he wants us. I gotta change, bro. I gotta change. So let's see how this is gonna work, because there's no way. Okay, there's no way this is gonna work, bro. Wait, turn on the lights.
Yeah, bro.
Ivan, there's no way.
I'm gonna be naked.
Oh my god, dude.
So close. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, do it, dude.
Okay, I can help you. No. Okay, there we go. No. I know how to.
Hey.
What the hell is this? Oh, okay, you got it. Okay, No, Ivan, there's no way, you got it. Just,
Okay, leave it there.
you look like that. That looks fine on you, bro. Come on. Okay,
We have to.
I gotta pee.
I'm gonna be outside, bro.
Hey, you're gonna be inside, bro.
Yeah, bro. I don't know how you're gonna take your pants off.
Yeah, I got this.
What's up, guys?
Yours, but like, we're good.
You do? Wait, I got it.
I don't feel my hand.
You good? Cool.
Yeah, I think I pee outside, but like,
Yo, take.
I think I pee outside. It's okay. That's fine. Come on. Okay, so Ivan right now, he wants to shave. So let's see how this is gonna.
I never shave, but it's time to shave.
Yeah, it's,
you know,
I don't know if this is press. Yeah, that's it. There we go. There we go. We have a lot. No! Oh, that's disgusting. So while you shave, I'm gonna put gel on my shirt. No, that's a lot. Oh no! Am I supposed to? Oh! You're hooded. Yo! This is crazy. Bro, I'm gonna put gel with just one hand. You could help me, bro. Now you need some gel on your face. Yeah, I got you. I need a towel first. Oh, a towel. Yeah, I got you. Thanks, man. I have hands, so good. There we go. Now you need some gel. No. There we go. Yeah, no, that's fine. Just put it on your. There we go. Now you look freaking cute. Oh. Teamwork. Okay guys, so it's been like already like 30-45 minutes. And we're tired of this. We're give me the keys. We can say like 30 minutes hang out. And that's it. Cool. That's cool. But you gotta do it like 24 hours. I know. So like give me the keys. There's only one key. Okay, I know. I have the key. Okay, give me the key. No, give me. This is the key, guys. Give me the key and I can do it. What is? Oh, here. Okay. Right there. Wait, the key. You want the key? Yeah, give me the key. You want? Yeah, here. You want the key, man? Here. Just do it here, bro. You want? No. No. So now you gotta find the key. This is gonna be extremely life challenge. Handcuffed 24 hours. No, 24 hours, no. All my life, handcuffed with my brother. That's it, with my twin brother. All my life. We gotta go and find the key. And then you can. It wasn't on purpose. I know. Accidentally. Yeah, accidentally you. Yeah. 24 hours, man. Come on. Okay. Okay, guys. So when we're bored, when we're really bored. Okay, so today's our free day. Yeah, we're not gonna go outside. So when we're bored, we just play pool. We play pool. We don't go to the pool. Like we don't swim. We play pool. Yeah. So let's play pool. How we're gonna play pool? I don't know. Let's try. 1 versus 1. Okay, you break. Basketball. Yeah. So I'm good playing basketball. I'm telling you. Let's see. See the ball? You see the ball? The last one, guys. You see the ball? You see the ball? Yeah! Okay, let's go to another. Okay, guys, so now it's our dinner time. Yeah, it's our dinner time. So we got pizza. Got pineapple pizza. You should. That's for me? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Keep it and give it to me. Oh, okay. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. Oh, sorry. I thought you were hungry. Good? Yeah. Sorry. It's a good pizza. Yeah. See you guys in a bit. We have a pizza day. Okay, it's been a long day. All the time hanging out. So with each other. Yeah. It's like It's fine. We didn't have like.
Yeah, it was.
We are all the time like that, but
It
without
was-
the handcuff.
Yeah, it was.
So, I mean, it hurts, but like it hurts a little bit.
Yeah, but it wasn't a bad day.
Tomorrow we have to go and find the key.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God. But like, I'll see you guys.
Yeah.
What? I don't need the blanket. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Peace.
Love you guys. See you tomorrow.
No, I'm not seeing.
Have a safe night.
I'm seeing you then. Bye. Bye.
The next morning.
I just woke up. I'm gonna see how's the thing going. Ivan? What the f? Ivan! Ivan! Yo, wake up, man! Wake up!
What are you doing, bro? Yes.
Why? Where is your brother? Where the hell? No, he's not here. Trust me. What the hell, bro? We should go look for him. Much better.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, so tired. Oh.
What's up, guys? Good morning. What happened?
Where are the keys?
We're gonna go deep down and get the keys and
No,
then
you have
can-
another keys, right?
Huh?
You have another keys, right?
No, not really. That looks good on you, bro. Just keep it like that. I'm not gonna go deep down in that pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have another keys.
Oh, give it to me.
Beep. Oh no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. No. No. Yeah. Okay, we did it. I don't know if it was 24 hours, but like probably like 23. So we did it, guys.
Finally
we
did
did it.
We've been like 24 hours together.
24. Yeah.
Yeah, 24 hours.
Handcuffs.
So, I'll see you guys
In the next video.
Peace.
Peace.